Good morning and welcome to English Point Panchajanya. Today we are going to discuss determiners. You see, whenever we are using any article or any possessive pronouns, any interrogative words like what, whom, what, how, we do not know what for we are using these things. We are using because it has been used earlier. For that only we are using. Actually we do not know why it has been used or how it has been used. Someone says that they have been used like adjectives. Don't get confused there. They are not at all adjective, because adjectives are describing the noun. And here determiners are determining a noun. I think what is the meaning of determining, you must have understood. Suppose in at that time of teaching articles, I have told you people that suppose I am telling about some person. What person? I saw an old man begging in front of the temple. I saw an old man begging in front of the temple. Okay, now how to determine that one? The old man was blind. The old man was blind. So when we are saying about the is here, though article is there. I have details I have discussed in that section. But that the is determining the old man. The is determining the old man. That means the is the determiner. Article is a determiner. Keep it in mind. Article is a determiner. So here the is determining the old man, means the noun. Like that, if I say this is a pen, if I say this is a pen, that is a board, what is saying? This or that. This or that is, means they are showing the, or they are determining the nouns. When we are saying, oh, I have a few books. I have a few books. How many books are there? A few books. Determining the books. Determining the books. Hence what happened? Determiners determine the noun. Clear? Now let us see how, how we will understand better that one. Okay? So with examples I am going to. So let us see. Determiners are used to identify or specify a noun. Specify a noun or identify, to know a noun. Okay? Specify a noun in some way. Okay? And there is a great difference between adjectives and determiners. Don't get confused between these determiners and adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun, but determiners determine or specify a noun. Means some adjectives denoting quality or number, like some, a little, many, much, can be used as determiners. Okay, they some adjectives denoting quality, means quantity or number, like some, quantity, a little means many, much, and they can also be used as determiners. See, articles and possessives. Possessives, what is possessive? Mine, your, his, their, his, this, that, these, those. They are possessives. This is my pen. This is my pen. This is my shirt. This is my book. So that is your bag. So they are saying about the what? Possessiveness. This is mine. I cannot give you. This is mine. This is my pen. This is my bag. I cannot give you. So what happened? This can be used. These possessives are also the determiners. and articles as I have told you earlier. Now the thing is, you see, let us categorize them so that in a better way we will understand. Before we categorize them, let us see the difference between many and much, where many is used and where much is used. That let us see. Let us see some examples of countable noun and what it means uncountable noun. What is countable noun? Countable noun is a noun which can be counted easily. Okay, like what? Book, shirt, like means countable nouns where let us book, flower, shirt, table. Now, what are the uncountable nouns as you know? Milk, water, wheat. Now you see, if we use this determiner with them, means with the countable nouns, that will be befitting. How? Let us see. Suppose many book. No, because many is plural. So many books, many flowers, many shirts, many tables. Okay, the same way, much milk. I do have much milk. I do have much water. I do have much rice. I do have much wheat. You see? So here you see, so much is used with uncountable noun and many is used with countable nouns. Okay? So I think you must have understood the difference between many and much and where to use, where we should use it. And a little, few I have taught you earlier. You may refer to the what other videos. Okay, they categorically the title has been given of that, so you can refer to that. And till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, you can subscribe it so that every now and then you will be getting the updates. Okay, so now let us see the categorization of yes. So we are discussing kinds of determiners. Kinds of determiners means how many, means though 6 kinds I have written, more are there. I will be telling in one more section I will be telling, because a heavier kind of thing is there. So that time a little bit senior students will understand it better. So this is this one you understand nicely. This is the base, so you understand it nicely, and after that, that one you will be understanding clearly that one. You see, kinds of determiners, articles I have made you understand. Possessives, so I have told you. Now demonstratives, this is that one, that is a clock, this is a board, this is a pen. So demonstrative, demonstrate. When we are saying, means demonstrating the thing, you see that one, this one, that one. So indicating somewhere, demonstrating. Okay, so that one is, from there only demonstration has come. So demonstrating. Now distributive, we are separating it. We are distributing. Each of you will get this. Each of you, everyone will get this one. Okay, everyone will get a gift. Each one will get a prize. So each, either, neither, every, distribute, when we are distributing these things. Then a quantifier, saying about the quantity. Quantifiers, what we are saying about quantity. Quantity we have discussed earlier also. So many, no much, more, any, many, most, a little, few less, least, and up, etc. Now interrogatives means question words. Okay, question words like what, where, which, whose, whom. Okay, so they are called what? In place of possessive we are using those things. So they are called means what? Determiners. So this is the basics of determiners. If you understand those things, obviously means all other things will be understanding. If you do have any problem, if you do have any query regarding this, you write down in the comment box, and suggest me if you have not understood anywhere. I will, in the next period, I am going to make you understand. So you subscribe the channel, like and share it, so that videos you will get, and you can enhance your knowledge. Thank you.